How to find budget flights using Kayak Explorer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find budget flights using the Kayak Explorer. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then search for Kayak Explorer. So tap on Kayak Explorer, a page will open up, and now here you can put in your departure airport and then where you want to travel to. Put in any time, any duration. You can choose the date range if you're not sure of the exact date, and then you can increase or decrease the dates. So hit done, and now you can see the price option. Tap on the drop down, and then you can even set the price that you want to pay, and then hit apply. So under 350 there are no flights, so you can increase it. Now see, you can see various options here, and then you can choose from the cheapest one. So here you can choose the one that is in budget, and then that's it, you can view the flights. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.